Hi everyone, thanks for tuning in for another S.E.E.K Science video. And this video is sponsored by S.E.E.K Foundation. Now you're probably wondering, what are we doing today? We are going to add on our arms for our robotic costume. Yay! So let's get started. The materials that you are going to need to do your arms are, and some of these are optional because it depends on the size of your arms. So let's start with this. You have a dryer duct. Dryer duct is 4 inches. All right, 4 inches, and it can be as long as you want it, as long as it's 4 inches. Again, this is for the kiddos. If your arms is wider than 4 inches, which mine is, you need a larger one. Duct tape, old pair of pants, preferably tight pants if you have some. You know I live on the edge, so sometimes I have my safety goggles and sometimes I don't, but I have them today. This is a wire cutter, but it can also cut metal. So you can use one of these or a metal cutter. If you don't have it, don't stress. Just go to Home Depot because I don't have any for you unless you want to order it, okay? Pair of scissors and a glue gun. All right, step number 1, you are going to take your dryer duct, you're gonna open it, stretch it all the way out, and you are going to fold it and cut it in half. These are gonna be your arms, which are your sleeves. And once you cut it in half, we are going to connect it to the robot. So make sure you take this out, open it all the way up, cut it in half using your wire cutter and or your metal cutter, okay? You can find that at Home Depot or you can order it from us online, all right? Let's go. All right, once you have your 2 arms cut, you want to use duct tape to tape down the ridges so that you don't cut or scratch yourself, all right? So let's do that. So here you are, right? Cover those ends because you don't want to get poked or scratched or feel like you just went to the doctor and they would draw some blood. We don't want that. So for my little kids with little arms, you are going to take this, right? Make sure your arm can fit. So you see my arm cannot fit. This is where the pants come in, all right? So the next step that we're gonna do, I am going to put the pants over my arm and pull it all the way up to my shoulder and cut it. And once I cut it, I am going to tape it to my arm and to my box. All right, let's get started. So now, once you have it cut out, you are going to add your sleeve and you will then tape it around. And once you tape it around your arm, you are going to tape it on your box, all right? So those are the 2 steps. Add your sleeve, the part that's by the smaller part, because the larger part you want it to be by your shoulder for your box. You're gonna tape that and then tape it onto your box. All right, let's go ahead and get started. have our arms made. Again, remember, if your arm's not as wide as mine, which is fine, you just need the dryer duct for your arms. And make sure they're taped around the edges so you don't hurt yourself or poke yourself with the wire. So let's go ahead and put the arms on first, and then put the box over to see if we have the arms done correctly. All right, now that we have our arms on, it is completed. Yay! So I am going to decorate the black and white part, but now you have to decorate the whole entire body. So I started with aluminum foil. I'm going to use that on my arms and also finish decorating my head. So stay tuned for the finished product.
A few moments later.
All right, boys and girls, we are back, and this is the final look. You have your arms should be added on with the dryer duct. It should go all the way to the top. And then you have your head completed. And with your glow sticks, you can add any design that you like. I decided to use it for my heart and my eyes. So I hope you have fun and see you again. Bye!